Hello everyone, this is Maruf. Today I'm going to talk about user-defined fields on SAP Business One. So user-defined fields are elements that you can create and use on SAP Business One modules. You can also use them on user-defined objects, but we'll talk about user-defined objects and user-defined tables on a later video. For now, we will get into the basics of UDFs. So in order to create an UDF, you go to tools and then you go to customization tools and then click on user defined fields management. So let's say we want to create an UDF for one of the marketing documents such as purchase or sales. So we click on marketing documents and we get two options, titles and rows. So basically in a document, the header level is the title portion and the tabular format is the row portion. So basically in order to create a title level UDF, you click on title and then you click on add. Let's give it a code. Let's give it a unique name rather, because this is the name that SAP Business One will recognize for the UDF. And let's keep the data type of the UDF as alphanumeric. You have a bunch of options to select from. For this particular UDF, we will keep it as it is, and we will not check any of the boxes here. Mandatory field is a validation field, and default value field is a field where you can set a bunch of values that you get to select from that in that particular UDF. For now, we'll keep it as it is and click on add. For a row level, you click on row and then click on add. Let's give it a meaningful name as well, QTY, and call it the quantity. As you can probably guess from the name, we are going to change the data type to units and totals and give it the quantity structure and then click on add. So now if we open purchase invoice, for example, this is our purchase invoice, and if you do not see the UDF you created, you simply go to view and check user defined fields. So there you go, all the UDFs show up. This is our code and this is our quantity. Now if we do not want some of the UDFs or some of the fields that are in this document, for example, for the header level, if we want to remove some of the UDFs, we go to tools and then we go to customization tools and click on settings. So there are a bunch of things that we can do right here. You can create a category and refer those UDFs that you want to those categories you created. For now, everything is set to general. We're not going to create a new category. For now, we're just going to hide the UDFs that we created and just leave the one that we just created. And for this tabular format, we go to form settings and get rid of some of the fields that we do not need. So go to table format and let's get rid of this. Yeah, much more neat. So if you want to fit this to this particular area, you go to view and just click on fit column width. So now let's do a transaction to check if the UDFs work as we are expecting them to, and set a posting date. And let's select an item. We're just gonna leave the quantity to 1 and the unit price to 400 as they are, and give it a quantity of 1 as well. Give it a meaningful code. Since this is alphanumeric, we can write whatever we want. I'm just gonna write this, and everything looks great. Just click on add. Yes. So we have a successful operation. If we pick the last record, those of you who do not know, you click this to pick the last and this to pick the very first record, and these are just previous and next. So this is our transaction that shows the values that we inserted on T quantity and code as well. So that shows that UDFs work great. Now if you have a business functionality that requires you to insert an additional information that SAP do not provide, they give you this option to create UDFs, so you can create as many fields as you need to. So that's it for now. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helps you. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if there's anything you want to see, and until then, see ya.